Hello everyone. It's a message or a request for you all. These days, India is recording over 2 lakh cases per day, which is the highest single day spike in the entire world. Just spend few minutes here and try to understand the gravity of the situation we are in currently. If not yourself, you could save someone else's life. Hospitals in several parts of the country have started to run out of oxygen supplies. Vaccines are being stolen. Shortage of remdesivir injections in the country, which is used for vaccines. Hotels are again being converted into makeshift hospitals. Migrant workers have again started leaving Maharashtra. Experts have suggested at least 15-day nationwide lockdown. Over 80% of the country's affected regions and their hospitals have no beds available. Those who have beds are running short on medical staff. Even gardeners and sweepers of the hospital are being forced to vaccinate and test people. And there is shortage of plasma donors across the country. If you have already tested positive with COVID 19 or know anyone who has and have recovered from it, please urge them to donate plasma because it would not only save life but this chain could continue multifold and aid several helpless people. Stay at home. This is probably the nth time you are reading this, but seriously, it's that simple. Just stay at home and you plus your family can stay alive. It's not difficult and it's not forever. We get it. It is your holy festival, be it Kumbh, Navratri, Ramadan, Eid, Baisakhi, or one of any other religious occasions. But do you not want to celebrate it again? Because for sure, gatherings of all religions festival look like the world's going to end right away. Although it might for the people who continue attending them. The situation of our country is worse than in 2020. Authorities, governments learned no lesson. Despite spending a whole entire year in a pandemic and knowing the devastation it can cause in a country of 1.35 billion people, at last it is we who can save ourselves and the fellow beings by doing our bit, irrespective of what our religious ideological beliefs are. We need to fight it together. Although it is up to you if you want to act upon this and make your own country a bit livable because at the end you are the only who can make this message reach every Indian out there. I have done my part. Thank you.